Hey, what's up? My name is Cody Birch, and I need to make a new lead magnet, and I'm enlisting the help of ChatGPT to help save me some time. So let's follow along and see what kind of prompts I can come up with to shortcut the whole process. A lot of times, making a lead magnet can take quite a bit of time, and this should be quicker. So here's what I want to do. I want to attract people to my email list who have an online course or they have a membership, and they need help launching their program. So I'm going to use that as a guideline. I don't want to attract people that are brand new to online launching or online selling. I want people that are slightly more experienced. And so the first thing I'm going to ask is about pain points. I need to make a lead magnet that will attract course creators, membership site owners, sell online. Give me 10 pain points online course creator have. See what it comes up with. All right, it's writing out the prompts right now. Let's see. All right, so it gave me 10 pain points. The first one it said is difficulty in identifying a topic or niche. That's fine. Lack of time or resources to make their course content. That's not really what I want to help with. Inadequate knowledge on how to structure their course. Struggles in promoting, leading to low enrollment or revenue. So that could be one. Frustrations in building their website. I don't really want to do that. Inability to balance all their multiple roles. Challenges in pricing. Uncertainty in defining metrics. That could be good. Difficulties in scaling their business or diversifying their product offerings. No. Intellectual property, copyright, legal compliance. That's not my bag. So my favorite out of this list of 10 is number 4, which is around promoting and marketing their course to the right audience, which could lead to low enrollment. Let's go with number 4 from the list above. Thank you. Now, help me come up with attractive lead magnet titles that expand on that pain point, how we can solve it. Another thing I could have put in, I could have said, give me 10 more, like keep going until I see something I like. So don't be afraid to give the AI feedback on if you liked what they came up with or not. Here's 5 lead magnet titles. I should have told it how many titles. It only gave me 5. Sometimes I like to just make it keep going. Give me 10, give me 20. 20 is probably too many. Ultimate Course Creator's Guide to Building a Thriving Email List. Lead magnet could offer tips and strategies for email marketing. Possible. 7 marketing mistakes that are costing you enrollments and how to fix them. Social Media Handbook. The Ultimate Course Launch Checklist, 10 steps to a successful launch. Okay, that's obviously my favorite one. Let's do number 4. Okay, great job. I like number 4. Whoa. Number 4, the best. What would those 10 steps be to a successful launch? Now, I know what they would be, like around email marketing, social promotion, building your online audience, building a pre-launch promotion, growing your email list, sending emails relevant to your launch, coming up with a deadline for people to sign up for your pre-launch content. I have a specific structure that I teach, but I'm curious what the AI thinks some of those 10 steps might be, so I don't forget anything. Now, what I don't want anybody to do is to copy and paste what the AI comes up with. If you just see in my sidebar here, you can see I've searched for Napoleon poem and rhyme. That was for my 16-year-old son trying to write a poem. I just showed him the tool, but like, you can't just use this. You still have to go do your work. Book outline, a rap verse, something for one of my kids that does tie-dye stuff. But I don't want anybody to copy and paste. So what I'm planning on doing is using the outputs of something like this to make sure that I don't miss anything from how I teach launching. But my goal is to provide, like this says, a launch checklist that would attract people that have a launch on the calendar and they want to make sure they don't miss any details. So let's see what it came up with here. Just in summary, here are 10 steps to successful course launch. Define your target audience. Okay. Choose your course platform. Create your course content. Price your course. Develop a marketing strategy. Create a launch timeline. Create your sales page. Create a launch team. Host a launch event. It's not bad. And then follow up. So here's what I don't need for my expertise. If you want to make a course from scratch, I don't really want to help those types of people. Ideally, people would already have a course that they have made money with. So let's give it some feedback here. Okay, thank you. I like numbers 5 through 10 on your list above. However, I don't want a lead magnet to attract people that want to build their core. I have no idea if all caps makes it more emphasis or not. Rather, I want to come up with a detailed launch roadmap for those that already have a course but want to launch it with excellence. Can you please come up with a 10-step marketing plan to help a course creator sell their existing program over a 6-week period? Let's see what this comes up with. I have no idea. So again, I have a lot of content like this already for myself. So I'm just curious what this will come up with, and I'm going to merge the two together. Like, for example, if you have a launch coming up, you need to update your link in bio in your Instagram, for example, right? Like little things like that. I don't want to miss anything. So how I categorize it is, if you have an email list, what do you do with your email list if you have a launch coming up soon? If you have a social platform, what do you do with your social platform when you have a launch coming up soon? If you have blogs, like what are you doing with your blog content as it relates to your launch coming up soon? When your doors open, what type of emails, social posts, graphics are you creating? What if you have a Facebook group? How do you leverage that group? Like there's so many steps that I want to give somebody the ultimate launch checklist, and it'll be probably quite a bit more robust than what it's coming up with, but it looks like it just spat out some cool content. So let's see. Here's a 10-step marketing plan for launching an existing online course over a 6-week period. Plan and prepare. So it's so generic. That's why I don't love ChatGPT yet. Gather all the marketing materials, social media graphics. Like that's fine, but I'm going to expand on that. And I think I'm pretty much done for myself, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to go a little bit deeper so you can see what you can do with this. Build anticipation with pre-launch content, share sneak peeks, highlight the benefits, share testimonials. That's all very true. Week 2, write a compelling sales page, blah, blah, blah. Week 3, host a webinar. I don't teach that, but that'll definitely work. So this is like, what this is saying is over 5 or 6 weeks, launch the same course, which isn't what I meant. I meant, 5 weeks of pre-launch content, then let's say like a week of cart open and then a cart close. So I'm going to merge some of this stuff in, but watch this. I'm going to go a little bit deeper. Week 1, gather all the marketing materials. So let's do this. Okay, thank you. Using a piece of your output, list off 20 places someone can go to promote their pre-launch content on the internet. So ideally, this would come up with, let's say, social graphics. Like you'll need a header for your Facebook page, a header for your Facebook group, an Instagram link in bio page, an updated website footer or header, a hello bar on your website. Like, so this is just such generic, no disrespect, but it's such generic, like, okay. What types of social images should I create to launch my course? You can just keep asking it. That's what I like about the interface is you just kind of have a conversation with a machine trained robot that's accessing information on the internet. And this right now, what I like most about AI in its early days here, this is, a couple months after ChatGPT has come online, is the amount of shortcut that it provides when it comes to brainstorming. Like I'm just brainstorming ideas. I wouldn't copy and paste any of this content. I just want to merge this with my expertise when it comes to launching and make sure I don't miss anything. So that's great. I'm going to go back up here and grab the title of the lead magnet it said that it liked. I'm just going to copy this and paste it back down here. For my lead magnet here that you shared, write me an opt-in page. I said for my lead magnet title, write me an opt-in page for the lead magnet, including a compelling headline, subheadline, and benefit bullet points on why they should opt in for the course. Headline, get your free checklist. Subheadline, don't leave the success of your course launch to chance. With our step-by-step roadmap, you can plan and execute a launch that drives results and grows your audience. That's pretty good. I'm probably going to use something like that. Bullet points, those are solid. Like, I think those are fine. Again, I'll merge them with my own stuff and make sure that it says the copy for the opt-in page should be tailored to your target audience and brand voice, and the design should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. You can use tools like Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, or Unbounce. It's pretty solid stuff. That's pretty awesome. Perfect. Thank you. Based on that output, please, I always say please write me let's just say a Facebook ad, say meta ad I can use on Facebook and Instagram that will convince course creators, membership site owners, opt into my free resource. Headline, launch your course with confidence. Get your free checklist now. Body text, are you tired of launching your courses without a clear plan or strategy? Do you want to maximize your impact and grow your audience with a successful launch? Look no further. Our free checklist provides a step-by-step roadmap to planning and executing a course launch that drives results and builds a loyal student base. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock the potential of your course and achieve your goals. Download your free checklist now. Call to action button, download, image, a person holding a checklist, or an image that showcases the benefits of a successful course launch, such as a group of happy students. I think that's fine. That's like kind of milquetoast Facebook ad copy for me, but it's a great starting point. So yeah, I think I'm done. I got opt-in page copy. Here's what I like about this. I like that the title I think is great. The topic is great. The landing page copy was great. The ad copy was pretty good. The actual guts of what goes in it, I don't even think I talked about that. Let's scroll back up. Gave me all the social images, promo images, testimonial images, infographics, behind the scenes, video thumbnails. Those are all fine. Oh yeah, this wasn't helpful at all. 20 places to promote. Like, okay, I know that. That's not super helpful, but that's okay. That's just because I didn't give it a great prompt. And then, yeah, the marketing plan itself, like the week by week breakdown is not exactly what I teach, but that's totally fine. So I think this is pretty good. And my next step will be to take what I already know and I just start all my lead magnets in a Google document. And maybe by the time you're watching this video, you'll see the actual lead magnet I made that uses some of these outputs combined with what I've created. And then I'll make it in lead pages and let people opt in for it. I'll write a Facebook ad. I might use some of these hooks, like tired of launching without a clear plan. That's probably good, but I feel like I might use a hook of something similar to, are you afraid you're leaving money on the table with your launch? There are so many steps to a successful launch, and you might be afraid you miss one, leaving money on the table and not serving customers and not reaching your potential or something like that. So I might use some of those hooks. But all in all, very interesting. This is the free version. I haven't upgraded yet to the paid version of ChatGPT. And that is how you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for a lead magnet, write some of the hooks, write the landing page copy, write the ad copy for your lead magnet, and shortcut the whole process by a whole lot. Hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next video.